Commander, the lab is currently idle. We're wasting valuable time and resources by not conducting any research. Please consider providing us with a directive as soon as possible.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of XCOM 2. Today on Operation Spectral Future, we will be stopping another Advent retaliation. We're taking out Dragoon, Sangara, Nieves, Rihanna, McThunder, and Ramsey. Got acid grenade here, and if I recall correctly, no, okay. This is just, wait, what? Okay. So I guess Mikey's PCS chip just disappeared, but all of his stats are still there. We're just gonna do that. We're just gonna repeat it, pump all the PCS chips we can into Mikey and just make him a super soldier. That's the strategy for the rest of the campaign. That's just cheating. We're not gonna do that, but it'll be quite entertaining.
In position for deployment.
Let's begin the mission. Mikey's brain tissue just fucking absorbed the chip.
We're picking up an intermittent distress signal, and as far as we can tell, the aliens are hitting back against one of the resistance outposts. It doesn't look good. We're moving in to secure the area as quickly as possible. Neutralize all enemy contacts.
Yeah, cool. I say cool. There's people dying there, but it's not that bad. We'll save them, right? Actually, do this properly this time, although we might be encountering berserkers, so that could be easier said than done.
Menace 1-5. Hostile forces are attacking the outpost. Eliminate all enemy units and protect all civilians. Advent been hot, and so did we. You won't have a concealed position for deployment on this one.
Alright, let's move up. Let's see, where do we want to go? Seems like we should be pushing this way, so just go down the street, I guess.
Understood. Moving out.
Alright, Bobby, got that. Rescue the Civ. At least if it's a faceless, we'll know for sure.
Get out of here.
Cool.
Estás a salvo.
Nice.
Muévete.
Already we got 2 civs saved. That's cool. Alright, let's see. Let's keep moving up. See what we can find.
We got an enemy squad here.
Alright, looks like they're starting to actually field pods of 3 now. Who would have guessed? Alright, we're gonna move Mikey over here, I reckon. And maybe up just a little bit further. Oh, Jesus Christ, don't tell me. Oh, that's a bad time to activate those guys.
Steer clear of those berserkers. They can't do much from range, but they're lethal up close.
Gee, I can fucking tell, Bradford. It's not like it's a massive creature with big hulking fists. Well, that's not great. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna move the spark up, first and foremost. We're gonna go into overdrive. This is where you just use the rocket launcher straight up. There's no fucking way I'm risking it with these assholes. Yeah, I could theoretically one-hit the shield bearer, but then I don't deal damage to the berserker anyway, so that's not an ideal strategy. Let's do this. Cool. Alright. That's all that armor shredded. Right. Spark, fire shot. Alright, solid hit. That's good enough for me. Alright, he is enraged, but that's whatever at this point. Diego, fire shot. Alright. And we'll get Othello just to chuck a nade here that will kill both of them in one fell swoop.
Here I come.
So basically, crisis averted, actually. So, yeah, good job. Promotion earned. Nice. Jesus. What was that thing loaded with? Flying a massive meat tower, like 5 feet. Uh-oh. Alright. Moving up once again.
Good copy. Moving on.
So basically we designated scout now that obviously we end up reviewing McThunder. Let me move up.
Heading to that location.
Let's see, Diego, since you've got cool under pressure, we're gonna want you moving up as well. Hopefully take some overwatch shots. Spark, reload. Ramsey, move up to Diego. Yeah, Diego, overwatch. Spark, overwatch. Ramsey, overwatch, and then yeah, you overwatch as well. Alright, cool. Mason take the first shot. Nice. Good one. They're saying big boy officers now, so should be interesting. Oh, nice one. Is that it? Are they just like gonna sit there awkwardly? Why did they not have cover? I was gonna say, what the fuck? That makes no sense. 69% on both of them, so that's good. So what's her pistol shot like? Alright, not quite as good. What I reckon we can do here is move up.
Absolutely.
Maybe we can do some shenanigans with Mikey's pistol shooting. So, yeah, run gun. Fire pistol once on this guy. Alright. 2 damage, not quite enough, but let's see. Alright, then we will fire a lightning hand shot on the other guy. 2 damage as well, alright. And then we can do a face off, or maybe just, no, grenade's not gonna reach. Is face off worth it? I don't think it's worth it at this point, because, you know, chances are we're not gonna kill either of them, so I'm gonna say, Bobby, just move up here.
I can handle that.
Alright, and chuck a nade at least to... Well, shit. Alright, this one, I guess. And that's gonna do fuck all. Wonderful. Alright, let's see. We still have a whole squad. No need to panic yet.
Moving on target.
32% though. That's... Oof, that's rough. Take a shot on this one, I guess. That's a miss. Alright.
Missed intended target.
At the very least, Diego can move up and kill one of them. So that's good if Mikey can land both his face-off shots. Nice. That's a miss. Alright. It's gonna happen at some point. Alright, and then Diego, move up. Kill the one on the left of the stock shot. Yeah, in hindsight, trying to do the whole push draw shenanigans with Mikey was not our brightest idea. But at least that leaves McThunder. Oh, he's still flanked. Rip. We can just overwatch, suppress the other group instead. Suppress it higher. Cool. Oh, Jesus, that's another berserker. Ooh. Rip you, my dude. Yeah, alright. Basically, rule of thumb on rookie, if you suppress it, the shot will not land ever. That's a neat little tip from me to you. Alright, let's see here. So what do we want to do? Probably just gonna get the spark up here on the rooftop and have it take a shot. See if we can possibly kill it. Nope. Alright.
Targeting error. Ammo levels critical.
Rifle versus pistol. Yeah, alright. Just shoot him with the sniper shot. Let's be done with this thing already. Alright, cool.
By the numbers.
Alright. Let's move up with Amina.
On my way.
That might be a faceless there, and I'm willing to bet that it probably is, so we're gonna advance with caution.
Seems doable.
There's a reload too, because probably not gonna land your shot. Oh, here they come. Comes the fun police. faceless. Don't be faceless.
Get out of here.
Alright, cool. We're gonna have Mikey reload. We'll have everyone else here in anticipation, potentially, of these asshole mutons.
Reloading. Let's do this.
Especially with Diego, we're gonna move you up.
Ya voy.
Yeah, Drew and you too. Oh shit, one of these guys will be faceless, isn't he? Okay. Oh crap. Alright, well. Let's wait for that now. We're committed. Good shot. It's something. Okay. Well, animations are gonna break completely. Thanks, XCOM. Sure. Hello? What? Alright, well, let's see here. So, that happened. I mean, I'll take the opportunity here, but that's really bizarre. I kind of wonder if a Muton can counterattack against a spark melee. Probably can, but I'd rather not find out right now. But you know, still. This is your acid grenade. We're gonna launch down these guys. That'll get rid of the Muton's armor, and we'll also deal damage to all of them. Mikey just take a shot here. Alright. Decent amount of damage. Let's see here. Spark. Take one shot. Good one. And another shot. Oh, nice. He'll probably die of acid burn next turn, so yeah, no need to worry about him. Yeah, Diego, you just take your shot. Berserker here. Nice. Alright, cool. And then we can take the rest of the turn Overwatch and prepare for the faceless that might show up. Nice. Die of acid burn. Oh, they're all the way over there. Alright, cool. What's up, you assholes? Oof, not quite.
Missed the target.
Yeah, I can tell. I might have hit my mic there on accident. Sorry if that happened. Will it move? Yeah, yes it will. It'll spot. Yeah, nice shot. Alright, just because I want to justify taking this ability to myself, I'm gonna punch the faceless. Because why not? See ya, biatch. Alright, and yeah, you know what? Go ahead, we're just gonna go ahead and pistol shot this guy to death. That's action number 2. I'm totally wasting time here, but at this point I just feel like screwing around completely. And then one more. Just end the mission style.
That's right. Menace is 1-5. Status confirmed. We're not picking up any additional contacts. The AO is clear. Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
Nice, nice. Civilians rescued 11 out of 13. It's gotta be some kind of new record, I mean, clearly. 7 turns taken, 10 A's killed. That's a pretty nice one. Alright, so that was a pretty routine mission. We had a brief moment of crisis there with that Berserker that we activated too early, but thankfully we had enough AoE damage to spam. So that's good. Unlike his aim PCS, really coming in handy there because we were able to get some pretty big bonuses from it. Those shots that were like 60% through full cover might have been something like 40, so definitely helps a lot. Alright. What's taking so long, I wonder? Is it just because of like all the stuff we're building and whatnot that's just causing longer to render? Because yeah, it's weird. I don't know why it's like that.
We're taking Advent apart one mission at a time, Commander. Impressive work.
Alright, nice. We're gonna promote the Spark. I mean, both these are pretty bad. I might just do Wrecking Ball for convenience sake, because Intimidate's panic chance is so low that it's just ridiculous. It can't be triggered by melee, which is... Oh, it can be. Alright, well... Never mind, but it's still... It's just not worth it. So we'll just take Wrecking Ball instead. Anyway. Alright. And then Ramsey. Oof, tough one. Heavy Ordnance or Hollow Targeting. I think, generally, shots at or near 100% on Rookie pretty much land all the time. So I don't think Hollow Targeting is a huge concern. So I think we're going to take Heavy Ordnance. Just to optimize our AoE spam. Maybe we should have taken Hollow Targeting. Whatever, we can just retrain him if we have a problem with him.
Considering the limited resources available to you, Commander, you have still managed to exceed my expectations. Excellent work.
I love that we've like unlocked the Advent Trooper Autopsy again, because we just haven't done it. Alright, so let's see here. Yeah, we've got our experimental ammo. Got our robot army. They're coming along nicely, so that's good. Gang warfare for a guerrilla op. Interesting, interesting. I'll probably pick that up.
Avenger plotting new course.
I don't need any more intel at this point because I got plenty. Shut up! You're being disruptive. If anyone heard that, that's my cat in the background. Not the chair, so. Experimental ammo. Did we get anything from that?
Commander, the lab is currently idle. We're wasting valuable time and resources by not conducting any research. Please consider providing us with a directive as soon as possible.
New orders, Commander?
Well, fuck you too, Sean. How much do I bet like Tygan sabotaged the development of that ammo? Because he's just like, you know, this I'm gonna spite the commander for not giving us any fucking research. Yeah, screw you, Commander. Too good for you. I won't be surprised, quite frankly.
Shadow chamber now operational.
Cool.
New objective
Alright,
added.
let's
We are
examine all
fully
this shit.
prepared to begin our analysis of the material recovered from the Advent Black Site.
Alright,
With
Codex
the
Brain
Shadow
or
Chamber fully
Boxer File?
operational,
Doesn't really matter.
Its advanced decryption capability to analyze the Codex artifact recovered by our forces.
Probably put the... This is contact here. I'll put that guy up there. Do we have any new combat tactics? Nope, nothing. Alright.
Priority message coming through, Commander. Putting it on screen now.
It is unfortunate, Commander, that your recent efforts have proven to be so mediocre.
What the fuck did I do? I'm pretty sure I've been doing amazingly throughout this entire campaign, sir. So
Avenger
I
plotting
would
new
like
course.
recommend you just chill out and like, you know, Did we just finish the spark without even realizing it? Do we just like happen to have a new soldier now? Nope, still not. Alright, interesting. Why did it say it was at like 2 days? What? Whatever. We'll scan for the supply drop and then we'll check back in on our robot army. Ignore.
Avenger plotting new
Then we'll
course.
go on the scroll off here.
Tactical mission site located.
Commander, we've had the Shadow Chamber running the numbers. These are the tactical projections for our next field operation.
If I had to bet, that could be an Archon. So that's kind of scary.
Avenger plotting new course.
Alright, I'm gonna wait a bit for the spark to finish developing.
Market is open.
Avenger
We're just gonna
plotting
fly
new
around a
course.
bunch on the geoscape until the spark finishes. Should be done soon. There we go. Square Spark 02. Interesting. Alright, now we go on the mission.
Setting course for the
We're gonna take our new
Indian
spark
regional
just because,
zone.
you know, why not? Alright, cool. Let's clear squad out and we'll take our new soldiers. Take out Spark 02. Very interesting look there. We'll just say very interesting. They all look the fucking same. We're just gonna give him the padded torso, just like really round him out. Get it? Because it's all around. Anyway, alright, so that's just that. Our Cyclops Spark. We're gonna bring out who else? Let's bring out Ramsey. Why not get him the captain so we can get biggest booms. We're gonna take out Jamaica, because why not? She hasn't seen a lot of action the whole campaign. Neither of these guys, but you know, we're not gonna talk about that. We're gonna take out. Why not? Let's take out Ramon. Let's take out Wallback. And because he has got kill zone, I'm thinking we're gonna give him a rifle, so that way he can make the most use of that. Because shotguns plus kill zone just doesn't work. Then obviously you can give some PCS and shit. I don't know. Or like, you know, all this stuff. Which won't really do us much. We'll give him that, and then we're also going to take out, I think, Bobby. Alright, and then cool, let's make all the utility items available. And we'll throw the medkit on Gonzalez. And we shall take the flashbang on Wallback. Why not? Alright, and that looks like that. So next time in Operation War Child, we'll be taking out Spark 002, Gonzalez, Ramsey, Wallback, and McThunder. Hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you all for watching.